There are three phases of PERT and CPM: planning, scheduling, and control. Planning. In any project construction undertakings, the planning is the most important consideration, which includes gathering of all necessary data to make the PERT and CPM work. It involves specific activities, the objectives of the project, identify the proper sequence of the activity. Also determining when to start and when to finish. Scheduling. Scheduling entails drafting of documents that specific the project's time and time frame and organizational resources needed to carry out each activity. All activities should be checked with the day-to-day table. Control. The monitor is necessary to a good network. Programming is flexible and updated. Pre-computations brought any changes situations it is possible to keep and schedule work affordable. Scheduling. Scheduling the PERT or CPM diagram should be updated periodically and account of time and discrepancies, deliveries, weather, change orders, and the fifth is unexpected events or the condition. And the controlling and monitoring flexibility and updated recomputation brought about the changes, condition of the key, and successful network programming to keep the schedule more up-to-date and meaning, and it can be done by hand-to-hand, but the easier and less costly if done the assistance of the computer to have the following output. One is the contract. The contractor is supplied with the time status reports showing that overall status of the project is general and particular. Second is the contractor is provided with a revised schedule which reflect and the actual work condition and the project status. The controlling and monitoring. Controlling and monitoring is a flexible and updated of the recomputation both a sort of changing condition of the key to a successful network programming. The keeps of scheduling up to date, meaningful, it can be done by hand-to-hand and easier it is costly done with the assistance to a computer to have a following output. Number three is the contractor supplied and cost status report showing how much money is being distributed for what type of expenses. Fourth is the contractor should be supplied with those reports and frequently and desired or required to maintain control over the project. The control monitor phase uses the actual data, which includes the addition to the project. It refers to the new activities, deletion from the project, changes as the duration, description, trade indicates cost estimates or resources estimates, actual starting dates, and actual finishing dates. The output phase considers as the following: time status report, revised schedules, revised bar chart, arrows, diagram, networks, revised resources analysis, and revised cash flow predictions, cost status report. The schedule phase of the four outputs can be obtained in scheduling and the phases network showing the following: the critical activities. The control monitoring phase actual data, which includes the additional of the project, refers to the new activities, deletion from the project, changes in the duration, description rates, and includes the estimates, resources, and estimates or resource estimates, actual starting dates, actual finishing dates. The output phase consists the following: time status report, revised schedule, revised bar chart, revised chart, arrow, diagram or network, revised source analysis, revised cash flow prediction, cost status report. There are three major reasons for the construction failures: unbalanced organization,